Hey everybody, Polio Jr. again. This is going to be probably the quickest video I've ever made in my life, and this is how to replace the rear windshield wiper on your Hyundai Tucson. So this is a 2016 Hyundai Tucson, but this will work for most models in the 2000s. So ready? Watch this. So much easier than the front ones. We literally just lift this up, and you don't even have to press on anything on this. You can literally finagle it out just like that. So all you have to do is pull and then turn that up a little bit. So I'll do it one more time. Turn, pull, it's off. That's it. That's how simple it is for the rear windshield wiper on the Hyundai Tucson. So I'll put the link in the description on where to get these wipers at, but they are much less expensive online than they are at the store. And then just to put it back in, you see a little hook here. Well, not a hook, but it's just kind of a hook, but kind of an indentation of where it just kind of pops in. It pops in like that, and then you turn the blade in. Make sure it's pushed in all the way. Boom. Good to go. It's not going anywhere. That's it. So that's how to replace your rear windshield wiper on a Hyundai Tucson, 2016 Hyundai Tucson. But like I said, pretty much any models from at least 2010 and up. But extremely easy. Links in the description on where to get them online. Do not go to the store and purchase them. They are 2 or 3 or 4 times more as expensive. So, all right, see you in the next one. Bye.